welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can convert a Google App Script web app to a mobile application in a very easy method. Okay, so let me show you a demo what I mean to say. Here you can see I have a web app URL, I have a website, I open in my Chrome browser, and now I have opened my APK to open this same web app. Okay, so basically I converted my web app to a mobile APK. So how you can do that for your any kind of web application, either it's on PHP MySQL based web application or Google Web App Script based. How you can do that? Just come to here and type it here Android Studio download and open the first website. And when you open the first website, you just need to simply click on this download Android Studio and accept the agreement and download. And when you click on this download, your download will be started, and I have already downloaded it and have installed on my computer. And when it's downloaded, you just need to install like you install the Visual Studio Code or any other software. The software installation is very easy. Okay, now I am just opening my Android Studio. So you can see I am opening my Android Studio here for you, and you will see something like this kind of interference in front of you. Simply click on this new project, and when you click on this new project, you will see this kind of interference. And here you must ensure phone and tablet and empty views activity, and click on this next. And when you click on this next, here you rename your app something as per your need. In my case, I am just giving him the app name. Okay, and just simply click on this finish. And when I click on this finish, as of now you can able to see here my Android Studio is opening, and it's opening here. You can see it's generating resources, and the Gradle building is in progress. You can see the Gradle building is in progress, importing app Gradle project. Okay, so let me wait until it's finished. And on that time, just go to our document file, which is available in the description. You can go and get it, and you can see this is a Android manifest file. You just need to copy this particular file, and just go to your Android Studio, and in the app section, okay, in the app section, you can see this is your manifest.xml. So you just need to replace all the code here and click on this save with Control S. Now again go to the document, and you can see this is a activity main.xml. You just need to copy all this green code. Okay, you just need to copy this green code here. Okay, just copy this and just go to your Android Studio and activity.main. Here you will see this kind of interference where you need to paste the code. So don't worry, you just see here, and here you will see this is a code. And if it's not showing to you, you can also press the short keys Alt plus Shift plus right. Okay, so you can see the code here, and just replace it and with save with Control S. Now that's fine. And again, this is a main activity.kt. Now copy this blue color code and just go to your Android Studio. Where you need to go, Android Studio, and just main activity and replace it here. So in my case, I already have it here, my Google App Script URL. For right now, you can update your URL here. So in my case, I am just going to adding first my portal URL, then I will update with my web app URL. Okay, so I just enter a URL here and click on this save. So when I click on this save, you must need to set it here. Your package name will be saved. Your package name will be saved. How you can check your package name? Let me show you. So how you can check your package name? Just come to here, and again you just need to go here in the new, and here you will see this is a package, and here you can check out your package name as well. Okay, so it will also come when you creating the project in very start. You can also copy from them. So you can just copy this and make sure you replace your package name here. Okay, if you not replace your package name, your app will not be work. Okay, now what you need to do, simply click on this run, and when you click on this run, your Gradle building is working. And here you will see this is your device manager, and here your emulator, Android emulator will be loaded here, and you can see, and it will install this particular application in this mobile emulator. So let me share you until the Gradle is building. So you can see it's launching on the devices, and now our application is successfully being installed on our device, and you can see here. Okay, so what if you need to change the URL again to your web app? Okay, I just copy this URL here, so you can also copy your Google App Script web app and replace it here. And when you replace it here, and just simply click on this save, and when you click on this save, so just need to click on this run, and when you click on this run, now your app will be installed successfully here, and you can easily able to see that your web app URL, your web app is being installed in your mobile application. So in this way you can create a mobile application using the Android Studio and install it on your mobile. Now the last thing is that how you can get the APK. Here's, sir, we understand how we can build the application, but how we can download the APK? Okay, just simply click here and go to the build, and here generate app bundles or APK and generate APK. And when you click on this generate APK, so your Gradle is being running and it will create a APK. You just simply click on this locate, and here's your APK file which you can send to your customers. They can install it on your Android phones. So in this way you can create a mobile application. Okay, a mobile application from any kind of web app URL. You can change your YouTube channel URL to a mobile application. Okay, separate mobile application. You can change your Google site in a mobile application. You can change your web app script to a mobile application like this way. So this is a very simple way. Hope you understand this, and if you are not understanding this, let me explain you all the things step by step again. Okay, step by step again. Just simply click on this new project, just here empty views activity, and click on this next. And here you will rename the file. I just rename the file app and click on this finish. So when I click on this finish, but here's what I do. You can see this is my file. Again I will show you. Just go to, whenever you create a new file, new project, empty views activity, click on this next, rename your file, okay, app, and here you will see the package name and the save location. You can copy this on your notepad, because this is a very important which you need to replace in your main activity.kt here. Okay, so you can copy this, you can take a picture, or you can save it in, or you on your notepad wherever you want, and click on this finish. So your new project is being created, and you can just copy these particular three files and replace the URL and create and enjoy. And that's it. This is a very simple way you can create a mobile web application using a Android Studio. So thank you very much for watching this video.